The family is small but happy. There is a mother, a father, and one child. The child is a little girl. Her name is Lily. They live in a little house on a quiet street. The house has a red door. There is a small garden in front of the house. It is a good home, but something is missing. One sunny Saturday morning, the family has breakfast together. They eat toast and eggs. The mother drinks coffee. The father reads the news. Lily drinks orange juice. Then the father says, "Let's go to the animal shelter today." Lily's eyes go big. Yes, let's go," she says. She claps her hands. She is very excited. They get in the car. The shelter is not far. They drive for 10 minutes. When they arrive, Lily runs to the door. Inside, it is warm. A kind woman greets them. She smiles and says, "Welcome. Take your time. Look around. There are many animals. There are big dogs and small dogs. There are black cats and orange cats. Some animals make noise. Some animals sleep." Then Lily stops walking. She sees one cat. Just one. The cat is small. It is white and gray. It has big green eyes. It sits in the corner of its cage. It does not play. It does not make noise. It just looks at Lily. The cat is quiet. The cat is afraid. Lily's heart feels something. She points and says softly, "Mom, look at the cat." She turns and says, "Dad, look at the cat." The mother walks over. She looks at the cat. She smiles a warm smile. The father walks over. He looks at the cat. He smiles too. The cat looks back at them. Its little nose moves. Its ears go up. The father says quietly, "This cat needs a home." The mother nods. "Yes," she says, "I think it does." Lily looks at her parents. She feels so happy she wants to cry. The kind woman at the shelter helps them. She puts the cat carefully in a small box. The box has holes so the cat can breathe. She says, "This cat is about 1 year old. It is healthy. It is just a little shy." In the car, Lily sits next to the box. She can hear the cat inside. The cat is very quiet. The cat is nervous. It is in a new place. Everything smells different. Everything sounds different. Lily puts her finger near one of the small holes. She whispers, "It's okay, little cat. We are going home." At home, the mother opens the front door. The father carries the box inside. They put the box on the floor in the living room. They open the box slowly. The cat does not come out. It stays inside. It looks out with its big green eyes. The mother goes to the kitchen. She comes back with a small bowl of food. She puts it near the box. The father goes to the kitchen. He comes back with a small bowl of water. He puts it next to the food. Lily sits down on the floor. She does not stand over the cat. She does not make big movements. She just sits. She talks softly. She says, "Hi, little cat. This is your home now. We are your family." For a long time, the cat does not move. Then, slowly, one little white paw comes out of the box. Then another paw. Then the cat steps out. It looks at Lily. It looks at the mother. It looks at the father. The cat sniffs the bowl of food. The cat sniffs the bowl of water. The cat is not afraid now. It eats the food. It drinks the water. After eating, the cat begins to walk around the house. Its paws are soft and quiet on the floor. The cat sees the kitchen. It sniffs the chair legs. It sniffs the table legs. The cat goes down the hall. It sees the bathroom. It looks inside. It is not sure about the bathroom. The cat finds the bedroom. It sees the big bed. It jumps up. It walks on the bed. It smells the pillows. Then it jumps back down. The cat comes back to the living room. It looks at the big sofa. It crouches down low. It wiggles its bottom and then jumps. It lands right on the sofa cushion. The family laughs. It is a warm and happy laugh. Lily says, "The cat likes our sofa." The cat sits on the sofa and looks at them. It blinks its big green eyes slowly. A slow blink from a cat means, "I trust you. I feel safe." That evening, the family sits together. Lily says, "We need to give the cat a name." The mother thinks, "How about Luna?" She says. The father thinks, "How about Shadow?" He says. Lily shakes her head slowly. She looks at the cat. The cat looks at her. "Milo," says Lily. "His name is Milo." The mother smiles. "Milo," she says. "It sounds right." The father nods. "Milo," he says. "Yes, that's a good name." The cat Milo tilts his head as if he knows. That night, Lily goes to bed. Her room is dark and quiet. She closes her eyes. Then she feels something soft and warm jump onto her bed. She opens her eyes. It is Milo. He walks in a small circle. He lies down near her feet. He makes a small, soft sound purr. Lily smiles. She closes her eyes again. Now Milo has a home. Now Milo has a warm bed. Now Milo has food and water every day. Now the family has a cat. A small white and gray cat with big green eyes. Lily has a friend. The mother has a soft cat to pet after work. The father has a funny cat that steals his spot on the sofa. They are all happy together. And Milo? Milo is the happiest of all. Practice English every day with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.